there are two type of loop in Python. That is a for loop and while loop. So let's see the for loop first. Actually, to use a for loop, you can put the word for, and then you can put any variable name. So let's say n for my variable name, and then we can put the in names. So the names actually as array, and then the n actually is a temporary variable which is will be stored every single item inside the array. So from here, the loop can print every single name inside names separately. So if I run this code, we can see all the name is printed separately, the Harry, Baim, and John. This is how we use a for loop. So then let's see how we can use a while loop to print out our array. So first of all, you need to set the count first, which is the index number. So I can put here index equals to 0, and then we can put while index is less than names. So actually cannot put name, but we can put len name, and then we can print here the index number, and then the index must be increased one by one. So if I run this code, it will print all the index number of our array. So 0, 1, and 2. Since we have the index number of our array, so then we can convert it, or we can call every items in the array with our index number that we get from the index. So if we run this again, so now I can get the Harry and Baim. So what is the difference between for loop and while loop? Actually, if you want to put numbers, okay, so let's say we can put here index, comma, and then comma again, and then here I put let's say dash. So if we see here, we can get the index number, so you can print out the index number. But if you use a for loop, you cannot get the index number. Instead, you need to create another variable, just like while loop. So this is how for loop and while loop work in Python.